Anna woke up early. The sun was shining through her window. She smiled. "It's a beautiful day," she said to herself. Anna lived in a small, quiet town. She worked in a flower shop. Every morning she walked to work. Anna loved her job. She liked the smell of roses, tulips, and daisies. Her favorite flowers were sunflowers. "Good morning, Anna," said Mrs. Green, her boss. "Good morning," Anna replied. She began to arrange the flowers. Many people came to buy flowers in the morning. One customer was Daniel. He worked in a bakery across the street. Daniel always bought flowers for his bakery. "Good morning, Anna," he said. "Good morning, Daniel," Anna replied. She gave him fresh roses. Daniel smiled and went back to his bakery. Daniel loved his bakery. He made bread, cakes, and cookies. Many people came to buy his sweets. But Daniel was lonely. He didn't have many friends. One day, Anna visited his bakery. "Hi, Daniel," she said. "I want some bread." "Of course," said Daniel. He gave her a warm loaf of bread. "Try this, it's fresh." "Thank you," Anna said. She took the bread and smiled. "You make the best bread in town." Daniel laughed. "And you sell the best flowers." They both laughed. Anna started visiting the bakery every day. Daniel gave her sweet pastries, and Anna brought him flowers. They became good friends. Daniel told Anna about his dream. "I want to open a big bakery in the city," he said. Anna said, "That's a wonderful dream. I want to grow a big garden someday." One day, a new man came to Anna's shop. His name was Peter. He was tall and handsome. "Good morning," Peter said. "Can I buy some roses?" "Of course," Anna said. She gave him the flowers. Peter smiled. "You are very kind," he said. Peter came to the shop every day. He always bought flowers and talked to Anna. Daniel saw Peter from his bakery. He felt sad. Anna didn't visit the bakery anymore. She spent all her time with Peter. Anna liked Peter, but Daniel missed her. "Why doesn't Anna come anymore?" he thought. He felt lonely again. Peter continued to visit Anna every day. He brought her small gifts, a box of chocolates, a book about flowers, or a beautiful bracelet. Anna felt special. She liked Peter's attention. One evening, Peter invited Anna to a cafe. It was a cozy place with soft lights and music. Peter talked a lot about his life. He said, "I travel a lot for work. I love big cities. Maybe one day you can come with me." Anna blushed. She thought, Peter is so different from Daniel. He is exciting. But something felt strange. Peter's stories were always perfect. He didn't ask about Anna's life or her dreams. She wondered, does he really care about me, or does he just like to talk about himself? Across the street, Daniel saw Anna and Peter walking together. He tried to focus on his work, but he couldn't stop thinking about Anna. "Why did she stop coming to my bakery?" he thought. Daniel worked late that night. He baked bread and decorated cakes, but his heart wasn't in it. His assistant, Clara, noticed his mood. "Daniel, is everything okay?" Clara asked. "I'm fine," Daniel said, but he didn't sound fine. Clara smiled gently. "You miss Anna, don't you?" she asked. Daniel looked at her and nodded. "Yes, but she's happy with Peter. I don't want to bother her." One afternoon, Anna was walking in the park. She saw Peter sitting on a bench with another woman. They were laughing and holding hands. Anna's heart sank. She felt a sharp pain in her chest. How could he do this? She thought. Anna didn't say anything to Peter that day. Instead, she went home and cried. She thought about Daniel. "He was always kind to me," she said to herself. "Maybe I made a mistake." The next day, Peter came to the flower shop. "Good morning, Anna," he said cheerfully. But Anna looked at him with cold eyes. "Peter, I saw you in the park yesterday," she said. "Who was that woman?" Peter hesitated. "She's just a friend," he said quickly. Anna shook her head. "No, I don't believe you. You lied to me." Peter tried to explain, but Anna didn't listen. She turned away and said, "Please don't come back." Anna felt sad, but also relieved. She knew she had made the right choice. She decided to visit Daniel. She walked into his bakery early in the morning. The smell of fresh bread and cinnamon filled the air. Daniel looked up and saw Anna. His eyes lit up. "Anna," he said, surprised. "Hi, Daniel," she said softly. "Can we talk?" Daniel nodded. "Of course. Sit down." Anna told him everything about Peter. She said, "I made a mistake. I thought he cared about me, but he didn't. I should have spent more time with you." Daniel smiled gently. "I missed you, Anna," he said. "But I'm glad you're here now." Anna felt a warmth in her heart. She looked at Daniel and said, "You've always been kind to me. I want to help you with your dream. Let's open a cafe together." Anna and Daniel worked hard for many months. They opened a small cafe called Roses and Pastries. The cafe was beautiful, with fresh flowers on every table and the smell of sweet cakes in the air. People from all over the town came to visit. Anna grew her garden behind the cafe, and Daniel baked his best recipes every day. They worked together, laughed together, and made their dreams come true. The day of the grand opening arrived. Roses and Pastries looked perfect. Fresh roses decorated the tables, and the smell of warm bread and cinnamon rolls filled the air. Anna and Daniel were nervous but excited. "Do you think people will come?" Anna asked. Daniel smiled. "Of course they will. You made this place so beautiful." At 9 a.m., the first customers arrived. It was Mrs. Green, Anna's old boss from the flower shop. "Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Daniel," Mrs. Green said. "The cafe is lovely." "Thank you," Anna said. She gave Mrs. Green a small bouquet of sunflowers. More and more people came. Some bought cakes, some drank coffee, and some just sat and enjoyed the flowers. Even Clara, Daniel's assistant from the bakery, stopped by. "This place is amazing," Clara said. "You two are a great team." By the end of the day, Anna and Daniel were exhausted but happy. "We did it," Anna said, sitting down at a table. Daniel nodded. "Yes, we did. And I couldn't have done it without you." Behind the cafe was a small garden. It wasn't very pretty at first, just some dirt and a few weeds. But Anna had big plans. "This will be the most beautiful garden in town," she said. Every morning, Anna worked in the garden. She planted roses, tulips, daisies, and of course, sunflowers. Daniel helped her when he wasn't busy baking. Together, they watered the plants and pulled out weeds. One day, a little boy came to the garden. His name was Max. He looked sad. "Hi there," Anna said. "Do you like flowers?" Max nodded. "Yes, but my mom is sick. She loves flowers, but we can't afford them." Anna's heart melted. She picked a big bouquet of roses and sunflowers. "Here, take these to your mom," she said. Max smiled brightly. "Thank you," he said, and ran home. From that day, Anna decided to give free flowers to anyone who needed them. The garden became a place of happiness and kindness. As the cafe became more popular, Anna and Daniel faced new challenges. One morning, Daniel noticed they were running out of flour. "Oh no," he said. "How can I bake without flour?" Anna thought for a moment. "Let's go to the market," she said. "Maybe we can find some there." They walked to the market together. The market was busy with people selling fruits, vegetables, and spices. At one stand, they found a farmer selling bags of flour. "Excuse me," Anna said. "Can we buy some flour?" The farmer smiled. "Of course. I'll give you a special price because I love your cafe." Anna and Daniel returned to the cafe with the flour. Daniel baked delicious bread, and the customers were happy. "We solved the problem together," Daniel said. Anna laughed. Teamwork is the secret to success. One sunny afternoon, Anna was arranging flowers when she heard a familiar voice. "Hello, Anna," the voice said. She turned around and saw Peter standing at the door. "Peter?" Anna said, surprised. "What are you doing here?" "I wanted to apologize," Peter said. "I know I hurt you, and I'm sorry. Can we be friends?" Anna looked at him for a moment. Then she said, "Peter, I forgive you, but I've moved on. I'm happy now, and I hope you can be happy too." Peter smiled sadly. "You've changed, Anna. You're stronger now." "Yes," Anna said. "I've learned to follow my heart." After Peter left, Daniel came to Anna's side. "Are you okay?" he asked. "Yes," Anna said, smiling. "I feel free." The town's annual festival was coming. There were lights, music, and food everywhere. Anna and Daniel decided to set up a booth at the festival. They decorated it with flowers and brought their best pastries. Many people visited their booth. Some bought flowers, some tried Daniel's famous cakes, and some just stopped to chat. "This is so much fun," Anna said. "Yes," Daniel replied, "and look at all the smiles we're creating." That evening, after the festival, Anna and Daniel sat under the stars. They were tired, but happy. "This is the best day ever," Anna said. Daniel looked at her and said, "Every day with you is the best day." As months passed, roses and pastries became the heart of the town. People came not just for the flowers and cakes, but also for the love and warmth they felt there. Anna's garden grew big and beautiful. It became a place for weddings, birthdays, and quiet moments. Daniel's pastries became famous, and people from other towns came to try them. One day, Daniel surprised Anna with a gift. It was a small sunflower pendant. "This is for you," he said. "It reminds me of how bright and strong you are." Anna hugged him. "Thank you, Daniel. You're my sunflower." Together, Anna and Daniel built a life full of love, kindness, and dreams, and they lived happily ever after.